can go on the top.
Going back.
Oh, there's a lot of snow in here. Love, turn the video. I'm not in there. No, you can just move it, love.
Is that better? That's good. I was just trying to get it busted up to where you can see some metal. It'll help it melt quicker.
Yeah.
Same thing on the glass. If you just get it off the glass some.
Oh, sorry. That's the... Okay. I want to clean here. You can...
Don't clean in the bed. Leave it in the bed. Gives it weight. I mean, you're not washing it, dear.
Huh?
You're just trying to get the chunks of it off. You can actually scratch the paint. You can actually scratch the paint.
I'm not scratching it like hard.
No, I'm saying if you bust off a piece of ice that's frozen to the paint, you can bust off the paint.
Okay. So this is actually a clean snow on the top.
Yeah. Right up until you rubbed that brush across it, yeah, it was.
Whew, okay. Here, are we done?
No, because you just pushed it all onto the window.
Oh. What do you want me to do?
Get down here and clean off the window. Why are you saying what do I want you to do? I was doing it and then you came out here and interrupted me.
Because I wanted to do it.
Okay. Not that. Don't worry about that. Get it off of the window in the front.
Move it. Not Michael. Not. You better not.
It's too hard. It will probably hurt.
So it's hard, love. It's ice.
That's what I just said.
Here we go. My hands is frozen.
I can't even see. Okay, my hands are frozen.
My hands is frozen. I'm done. Here.